Hello everyone, I'm teaching myself After Effects and I'm sharing my knowledge and sharing my journey online in order to motivate you and in order to have something behind me during this journey. So today I will show you how to do very easy lower third. You don't need to have any previous knowledge. It's very simple, very easy. I just learned how to do it, so I'm ready to share. Make new composition by clicking on composition, new composition, and let's call it lower third. 920 by 1080, but that's not important at all. You can change background color to red if you want. I'll do that. Click OK. Now you have a new composition. Let's click on the rectangular tool and add a new rectangular. Okay, something like this. But I don't want to have any fill, just a stroke. So in order to move the fill, click on the Alt key, hold Alt key and click on the mouse 1, 2nd, 3rd time. And now click on the stroke and add white stroke. Now I have very nice white stroke rectangular. Now under the shape layer, first of all I will rename this to line. And if you click here under the line layer, you can add here a trim pad. Trim pads, it's very nice, very powerful effects, or allow you very powerful tool that will allow you to do very nice effects. So under the trim pads, make sure first of all you are on the beginning of your composition. Change the start value to 50% and change the end value to 50% as well, and add keywords by clicking on stopwatch here and here. So move your timeline cursor to 1 second and change the start value to 0 and change the end value to 100, and that will add another pair of keyframes. Now let's see what we just did. Yeah, very nice effect. So in order to make it more beautiful, we can select all keyframes and click F9. F9 will add easy ease. You don't need to know what it is, but basically helping you to change the speed of your animation, which is linear right now. So if you click here to graph editor, you will see something like this. Select both lines and then this yellow handle will appear, and move it to the left as much as possible. Now we have something like this, and as you can see, our animation speed is changing. It's very fast at the beginning, then after that it's getting slower. So take a look. Yeah, it's looking very nice. In order to exit from this dashboard, you need to click on graph editor once again. Great. Now you can close all these settings by clicking here and here. Now let's duplicate this layer by clicking on Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, and let's rename this layer to fill layer. Move the fill layer below the line layer, and now I want to have a fill, so I will go to fill and go to white, click OK. But I don't want to have any strokes, so click Alt key, hold Alt key, 1st, 2nd, 3rd time on the mouse, and now you don't have any stroke for this fill layer. So let's see what we just did from the beginning. Click on the space on the keyboard and you have this. But I want to see a line as well, line animation, which is not possible to see right now because this fill animation is taking all the place, let's say like that, and it's on the same time. So in order to be able to see line animation first and then fill you need to click on the fill layer and move it on the right a little bit, just below 1 second. Now you will see the line animation, and after that fill animation. Let's take a look. Great, it's looking very nice. Now our third thing to do is to add a text layer. Move this timeline to, let's say, 2 seconds, so you see the white box. Click on the text tool, click on inside of the box and write whatever you want. Now let's move it in the middle of the box. If your letters, if your text isn't the same color like a background, this effects will not work. So in order to have to be sure it is the same color, click on the composition, then composition settings, then background color, and copy this code. This code copy by clicking Ctrl C, then click OK. OK. Now select your text, go to text color and paste what you just copied. Now you are sure that your text is the same color like background. Why is that important? Because at this moment text is here, but we can see it because it's the same color like a background. So one more time. That's it, guys. Very nice, very powerful and professional looking lower third. I did it, like I told you, in 5 minutes, so you can probably do it as well, even faster than I am, because I don't have any previous knowledge in After Effects. So thank you very much. I'm done with this one and going to learn another one and share with you guys. Also, if this tutorial was too fast for you, you didn't understand something, or you want the project files, click on the description. I will share everything with you, whole project files, and also I will share you a tutorial for this effects, but in PDF format, so you can have a step-by-step tutorial just for you. Everything is for free. Just click on the links below.